dancing beat. Hi everyone, I'm your best friend, back in town again.
This one is such a cute design. I've got an outline for you to trace, but I encourage you to just freehand it, just draw it. And if it looks wonky, who cares? They're snowmen. It's the YMCA. It's the Village Snow People. For those who remember that band. So I've got an ink pen here. You can use a Micron, a Sharpie, whatever black ink you have. If it's not water soluble, that's with it. Hang on. This is a fun one to do. I call this the Village Snow People. They got YMCA. You could do any letters you want for your snow people. This is just so cute. So I've got an outline that you can trace, but I encourage you to give it a try. Just do a freehand drawing of it. If it's wonky or silly looking, I mean, it's supposed to be. I mean, these are snowmen spelling out YMCA. So I've got an ink pen here with permanent ink so that when it's dry, the ink is dry, it's not going to smear. You could use any kind of ink pen, a Sharpie, a Micron pen. You could use ink that is water soluble so that when you add your touches of paint on here, we're not going to use a lot of paint, that it kind of smears. That'll just make it kind of a cool effect. So I'm just going to start over here with my first snowman. And like I said, just to have fun with this. It doesn't matter. He looks pretty silly, but they're supposed to. These are just so much fun. See how fun that is? It's so cute. So make sure your ink is dry. If you don't want it to smear, if you want it to smear, then just jump on it. But I'm going to let this dry for a minute. Okay, I've got some phthalo blue here. I'm going to do little shadow side of each of the snowman pieces. And then I've got phthalo blue mixed with some opera pink. It makes it a real bright purple that I'm going to kind of do for the where the snowmen are sitting on the snow. So this is just so easy. And I just kind of do the left side of the little snowballs. Just like that. And then I take kind of a dry, damp brush and kind of squish it around. Kind of smooth the edges a little. It doesn't matter. If you do too much, which I think I did there, just dab some up. Doesn't matter. It's just so cute. Okay, let's do a little bit on the little heads here. Look how cute that is. Now I'm going to use a little bit of this purple for the snow shadow where they're sitting on the snow. It's going to bleed in a little bit, but that's okay. Now I'm taking the damp brush and just kind of smearing it around. It just doesn't matter. Let's take some of the blue, drop it in. This is just so cute. I'm just going kind of crazy with this, but that's okay. it will dry and just be so cute. Okay, now I'm going to use kind of a tiny brush. You could use a red pen if you have it, orange pen, for the carrot nose here. It's not perfect. It's not meant to be. It's just meant to be cute. And how cute is that? I'm going to dab up some of this water because I've got a lot of water here. I don't want it to take forever to dry. See, that one went up in the snowman, but that's okay. It adds pretty color. Just so pretty. And this is on hot press paper here, so it absorbs kind of differently than cold press. This is just so cute. I love it. You could splatter some water here on the snow area and let it create some textures. Look at this. How cute is that? It's your village snow people. It's so cute. I think I'm going to get some white wash here and do some splattering while it's still wet. Oh yeah, that works. Just so cute. Let me turn off the ring light so that you can see it without all the glare. Look at that. It's so cute. The village snow people. Have fun with this.
Okay. Dancing beat. Hi, everyone.